I do not have to tell them to use subagents anymore, but I do. Old habits. All right, let's go back down here. I have this video plan. Let's see what they've got. All right, let's get him working on a plan. All right, we're gonna get him doing the plan. And we got them building. So let's do this while we're waiting. Let's go. Time. We always gotta make use of time. Let's build us a bug list. And I really need to buy this license because if you don't use Typora, you need to use Typora. It's good. All right. So let's go through it and see if we can figure out. Draw another box here. All right, and we were going to change that color to our that. Let's put some text on here. No, not. Oh, there's a bug. Can't even edit the text, man. Wait a minute. I gotta be. Yeah, that's the problem. All right, there's our first bug. Let's see. Do it in. All right. Let's do it this way. Back to my markdown. So that's one. Let's delete that one. Go ahead and put this on here. Move this down and then watch this. We're going to click this. Oh, it didn't do it that time. Oh, there it did it. Go here, go here. So it does it when I hit the line. Is that what it's doing? If I do it there, I'm good. If I do it here. It's got to be reproducible. Maybe it's me. It might be me moving it. Yeah. All right, so that's not a bug. All right, let's group these. Let's see, Shift, and then Control G to group. That gets our properties over here. It shows us starting at 140. That's right. Let's add a tween. We're gonna go X position this way. This is our X axis, and then this is our Y axis. So, all right, this is a bug right here. I know that. So we're gonna go ahead and add that one. Say add. Let's just call it wing. And I've got to describe this or it's going to get confused with the actual properties box. So this would be considered add tween just to group. Oops. And 2.5. It's 2.5. Oh, 0.5. So 0.5. All right. Let's go back and check on our workers. Two more building here. See what our plan looks like. I gotta think about that one. Go back while we're waiting. Let's find some more bugs. So it's resetting. Hold on a second. Let's try this again. All right, let's try it again. Do 5. So that works. You can't backspace. Can't backspace. Come on, Brian. All right, we need to add a tween to group box. The duration, when click on number to edit, you can, but if you backspace, it tries to clear the field to null, but we have a default value of 0.05. We need to allow clearing of the field and re-edit, and then we can check for null if we move, just that's good. If move focus or change state, default to 1. That should take care of that one. Go back up and check on our guys. The monitor is fine, dude. The monitor is fine. All right, so let's do this. Let's clear this back. Add a tween. I'm gonna that to 3. Tween, and let's see. That's because I didn't change. Change this to 600. Make it go across the screen. Now it should go. Oh, come on. You didn't hit enter, Brian. 600, enter. There we go. So, this is the other bug I was trying to get to. When you group something, it looks like if you have other objects that are not grouped, they won't reset. I know all this looks bad, but really this is all fixable stuff. I need to change this because that if I put that first, it's going to hone in on just that. And that is not what I want. I need to describe the bug first. I think that's good. Where are we at here? Still waiting. All right, let's go back and document some more bugs. So we're gonna have to reset this. Right, fresh start. Let's see if it happens this time. Nope, worked that time. All right, now let's delete these. Let's add a new one. Let's see, let's change that to green. Up. This position's 140, so that's right. Add a tween to that one. X position. That's. We're gonna move it to 600. We want the duration on this to be 2 seconds. All right, so this is a bug. And when I have a group, it's starting at 140 and it's supposed to end at 600. And this one does. It's a grouped one does. One that is just a plain object is not. So, which means I think what's happening on this one is it thinks it's starting back here because this starting position is not being read or being lost because it's starting here. No, that's not right. I'm backwards. Thinking out loud, catching it live, thinking out loud. Yeah, that's backwards. It's the opposite. All right, let's give a detailed. Oops. Go. Back. Order right here. There we go. Screaming at me. Come on. At 740. 740. That grid is coming in handy already just for debugging. I'm able to give it detailed information. All right. That's going to be a tough one. I promise you that one's not going to be easy. Because that is some kind of state issue, I believe. All right, still waiting on 2. Finish here. All right, so let's add another box. I'll add a group to this too, just to see if that theory works. Select, Control G to group. Still says 140, which is right. So now let's add a tween to that. Yeah, make that one 1 second. That's right. And we're gonna change this to 600. So that's definitely the determining issue. A grouped object works, and the non-grouped object is going past where it's supposed to. Yes, that's correct. Let's see, what else can we test here? Try adding a circle. I know that works. I've done this. Let's try something here. Let's see. Let's do this. And then move this on the Y. Edit this to let's do 3 seconds. We're gonna finish at 450. All right, let's see what happens here. It went to $475. My old eyes. So let's just make a note that X position. I don't think that makes a difference, but just in case. All right. Let's go back and check on our. Oh, we're done. All right. So should show up here. It's failing even with the ground truth fix applied. Oh, Lord. All right. We're going to find out, hopefully, if this idea of mine is going to work. But getting the test environment set up has been the struggle. Finding bugs that Opus can't fix first round. He's working on something hard. Three of 5 control done, all passing. So it's actually running. This updating. Let's see. No. So he did not update my dashboard for I think we're gonna have to wait until the entire run is done. I wanted them to try to update it per run. That 3 of 5 control done, all passing is not a good sign. I don't want it to pass. Because what I'm trying to do is find bugs that Opus cannot fix first pass. That, you know, it takes him more than one pass to fix it. Yeah, he fixed all 5 of them first round. That's not what we wanted. It's funny, you know, when you want to try to get Opus to fail, you can't do it. But like I said, I'm not going to spend any more time on this. I'll just try to test it live. I've got plenty of bugs I'm piling up on Motion right now, so we'll let this finish and see what happens. Let's go back while we're waiting on that and see if we can find some more to list. We know we can't change the text. That's not editable. And this works fine. You know, we can select, so I think we've got most of them. All right, let's try. I'm going to edit this. Let's delete that one. Let's add a new one. I've not tried this, so let's see if the rotation works. Add that. Let's edit it. Let's make that 3 seconds. And we're going to do a 360. All right. All right. So that works. Then what happens if we add some text to that we can't edit? Let's Control G and group them. Well, that's right. That was another bug. let's find out, see if we can find out why. Whoops. Back, I need to ungroup, so Control Shift G. So I select that first. Okay, select this, and then select text. Now let's group it. Yep, that worked. I think it's going to be the order that you select them. So let's ungroup it and try the opposite. If we select that first, and then select text, Control G, or was it the other way? Maybe that's not what's causing it. All right, so we're ungrouped. This time, text first, then the box. Group it. Yeah, that's it. All right, so it's good. All right, one more time. So select bottom first, then top. It works. Perfect. All right, let's go back. See what we got. Oh, we're at decision point, it says. All right, here's what's going to tell the story. Yeah, we're shutting this down. All right. now we're going to focus on Mandrel. Am I in the right? Yeah. All right, so I'm in the right directory. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. We do this first. Yeah, there we go. Well, that's in the wrong spot. All right, so that bug's already in there that we just, so it'll see that again. All right, so this is the original Mandrel that I used to build. This stores all my projects. Have all the contexts, is like handoffs and the errors that we have, plans, completions, decisions. Can track tasks. But we're working on MandrelV2. So let's go project, motion, recent. All right, now we can give it to him. So I'm having him create task in Mandrel. So they should. Some of them might already have been in here, but they should show up here, and then we can work on them. Now it's adding them now. Yeah, I think so. So off it goes. That's all I have to do. Just got to find the bugs and give them as much context as I can. It's wild reading these things sometimes. How they're going in one direction and then all of a sudden it says, wait, actually, I mean, where does that come from? Are they trained to talk that way? I don't know. Now I see the full picture. See the problem now. Well, let's see if you do. Definitely working through it. I'm gonna, it's not guessing right now. Hold on a second. All right, that's what I thought. But wait, it's got to fix. 3 and 4, right? It's got to fix. But wait, there's a cleaner approach. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Where does that stuff come from? I don't know how many times it's had the full picture, but this is probably the third. Oh, I see. It's going through them all. So it's on bug 3. It's just rolling through them. As confident and as thorough as it's being, I'm going to be really disappointed if these fixes don't work, because it's really confident. All right, let's find out. Let me... I don't know. Don't know what that was all about. All right, so we're gonna click this. Oh, what was that? I can tell you now, that was a mistake letting it do all of them at one time. because now we don't know what was what. So that's on me. That one is on me. All right, let's what happens if I click blue? Nothing. It's when I click the green middle one. Oh, nothing happened that time. How about this one? Uh-oh. Blue? Nope. How about the middle? Nope. All right, so that's definitely something's racing somewhere. Yeah, that's weird. Why is it pinning up there? All right. Let's see. How am I going to describe this one? All right. So many clicks, right? That's what I'm saying. So many clicks. One click. It's not going to be that easy. One click. 2 clicks. 3. 4. Bam. All right. Are we going to have a pattern? If I could go out and come back in, will it go first time? If it does, that's a pattern. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back out. Let's come back in. 1, 2, 3. This is a game. 4. Is it gonna do it? 5. No. Come on. 6. Is it a time thing? Time thing? Oh, wait a minute now before I click again. Uh-oh. 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 What is going on my phone? My day job. All right. Immediately. 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 All right, I'm doing this quick, right? So let's wait. Nothing. Now it should go, right? I'm waiting. Yeah. All right. We got something going. Got something going. All right. So we're going to try to make that happen again. We're waiting. We're going to click. Nothing. We're going to wait. And it should go. Right. Now if I go in and click, yep. If I go in and click, yep. So we got 2 things, right? Should be good info. That should be good info. How am I going to type this out? And can't remember, does it clear? It'll clear the top box, leaves the green, pins the blue. All right. Two words, Brian, 2 words. I'm being quiet because when I have to think this hard, it's tough. It's tough for me. All right. You open a project, click on an object quickly. A third object lower on the canvas jumps to the top left corner, and the object closest to it disappears. Pattern is if you exit and enter and click object, that happens every time. If you go in, wait. You know, when you write above, you're writing that purely because this thing is just a JSON, one long string, man. Like, it knows what above is. Probably made no sense to you, but all right. So every 5 seconds, and you click the object, same pattern happens. That is all right. Let's see what it does. Wait a minute. Yeah, that didn't work. My paste didn't work. See, that's the problem when you can't see the hole. It's marked down. Now we can do it. Well, it's getting started on that. Let's go back. Let's see, Mandrel. Check our context. Oh, there we go. Just didn't refresh. So all those tasks that were in to do have now been, completed. That was the bug fixes. All the bug fixes it just did, which we now have a new one. And we might be in an endless loop on this little project. But I don't think so. I think we get through it. Especially if you can give it details, like we're able to find those patterns. Fixed it pretty quick. That makes sense. Should reload. I shouldn't have to restart the server. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think it fixed it. All right, let's do this. Oh, wait a minute. All right, so let's try the text. Let's ungroup this one. See if that works. Still can't edit text. Still can't edit text. All right. All right. Hopefully that little backspace thing that I told it was the key. It says it was, but we'll see. Yeah, it's struggling. I'm going in circles, it says. I'm gonna stop it. Hold on. I think I spelled that right. All right, I had to pull the reins back. I'm slowing them down, making them rethink. It seemed like there for a while, and I can't remember which model or models, but they wanted to add air logging for everything, right? Like you had to like dig it out of code, right? You had to get rid of it because they put so much on. And now all of a sudden it's like you got to tell them to do it. Or at least that's what it seems like to me. I don't think I have to restart the server. I think we're good. Let's bring up. Let's reload though. You need to do that. Add a new text. Test. See, it's not, okay, it's not even activating because it picked up the space bar. I made the animations go, so there's keyboard's not passing through. Something's capturing it before it gets through. But if I hit backspace, it does delete it. Oh, wait a minute, it's not deleting it. Maybe it is. Is this firing twice? Yeah. Let me see something here. You know, I just seen something. That would be really funny if this is what it is. Okay, hold on a second. Type nothing. No, nothing's registering on our logs over here, so it should be if my key presses are, you know, getting through, but they're getting captured somewhere. All right, there, it just did it again. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Just these test keys. That one's gonna drive me crazy. All right. Let's just give him. See what it says here. It's like, hell no, you idiot. It's not use effect. That's not the problem. What's funny? Well, I got it. I've got it doing the right thing now, because we're gonna find it now. We're gonna find it now. No, do not sing, Brian. Do not sing. Be a mistake. Oh, we're getting something here now. All right, so let's go here. Why you default? Need to change that somehow. Wait, maybe the issue is simpler. It was talking to itself again. Wait. Take a shot for every time it says wait. I'll be drunk. Quick. Wait. Shot. Actually, wait. Oh no, there's another one. I cracked myself up. All right, it says try again. Click on the context text input field. We need to know. Is properties panel pointer down fire? No, the click isn't reaching the panel. Something is over it. All right, I got it thinking. We're getting data. All right, so let's do this. So target equals body is the F key. D key, target equals body. Motion page key down. All right, so all we should need right here. What? Add a global click logger to find out what's actually receiving. All right, so it's just spying on me now, man. It just added a keylogger to me. I think that's illegal if I asked for one. And it just built one on my own rig. Alright, so what are we doing? We're going back here. We're gonna hard refresh. We're gonna open. And he's gonna keylog me. Alright. I don't think it really needs this because it's going to go read its spy machine that I'll probably never get rid of. Anthropic. Delete this chat, man. Alright, what am I doing? Oh shit, V. And that. I'm typing without clicking first. Or the click is happening, but on a different page area. It's now it thinks it's user error. Come on, man. I'll give it to you sometimes, but I'm gonna follow directions like a good user here. What's it telling me to do? Click directly on the content input field. That's what I've been doing. The one that shows hello. Oh yeah, good instructions. We should see global pointer down in the console. Then type a few letters. I think you're going in circles, dude. Let's do it one more time here. Where that came from. I need to hard refresh again. See, we're on it. Text infield. Now I'm gonna click. There it is. Global pointer down. I'm gonna type some letters, just like we've been doing. Right here. All right, no excuses, bro. Brah. Is that what the young people say? Brah. All right. I'm not hip. Hip to be square, maybe. Ah, there it is. It was user error. Hold on a second. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There you go. Live. So that's properties. Content. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. But hey, I think this is a good place to stop for the night. I think it's a great place to stop for the night. Just got shown up by Opus Live. All right, let's finish him out here. right, save a context in Mandrel motion, and then y'all are gonna freak out. Commit and push, and there we go. All right. Since I got shown up, I'm gonna tuck my tail between my legs, and I'm gonna go upstairs and see my beautiful wife and go to bed. Got an early morning in the morning. So, and if anybody's live watching, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for listening to me work through some things, and I'm back. Until then,